Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simply Explained English. I'm Jack.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy to see you again.
Many of you loved our first real-life compilation video, so today we're back with part 2.
That's right. We have prepared 6 brand new dialogues for you. You will see useful situations like renting a house, going to a mechanic, and even buying shoes.
As always, we will help you learn practical vocabulary in idioms in context.
And don't forget the shadowing section at the end. It is the best way to practice your speaking.
Let's not waste any time. Here is the first situation.
Mia, do you have a minute? You were very quiet in class today.
Yes, Mr. Evans. To be honest, I feel a bit discouraged. Everyone speaks better than me.
That is not true. You are doing well. Why do you feel that way?
When I try to speak, I get nervous. I'm afraid I will mess up the grammar or use the wrong word.
Listen to me carefully. Making mistakes is the only way to learn. You should not beat yourself up about it.
But it is embarrassing. I don't want people to laugh at me.
Nobody is laughing. We are all learners here. You need to build your confidence.
It is hard. I want to be fluent right now, but I feel stuck.
I understand, but you must be patient. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Learning a language takes time.
So I should just keep talking, even if my sentences are wrong?
Exactly. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on communication. Do not give up.
Okay, I will try to be brave and speak more tomorrow.
That is the spirit. If you stick with it, you will see great results soon.
Thank you, teacher. Your words really help. I feel much better now.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to City Homes. How can I help you today? Good morning. I am looking for a new apartment to rent. My current contract ends next month. You came to the right place. Do you have a specific location in mind? Yes, I work in the city center, so I want to be close to my office. I hate long commutes. I understand. We have a beautiful apartment available on Elm Street. It is very spacious and bright. That area is nice, but is it close to public transport? I don't have a car. Yes, the subway station is just a stone's throw away. You can walk there in 3 minutes. That is excellent. Now let's talk about the price. What is the monthly rent? It is $1,200 per month. Does that price include water and electricity? No, unfortunately. You are responsible for all utilities. The rent is only for the house. I see. And what do I need to pay to start the contract? You must pay the first month's rent and a security deposit up front. Okay, that fits my budget. Is the apartment empty now? Yes, it is vacant. We can go and check it out this afternoon if you are free. That would be great. I need to see it before I make up my mind. Perfect. Let's meet here at 2 p.m.
Whew, I am getting a bit tired. We hit the road very early this morning.
I know, honey, but look outside. The view is absolutely scenic. The mountains and trees are beautiful.
It is nice, but I have to keep my eyes on the road. Driving requires a lot of focus.
You are doing a great job, but the car is very quiet. Do you want me to turn on the radio?
Yes, please. To be honest, the silence is making me sleepy. I feel like I am dozing off.
Oh no, that is dangerous. I will crank up the volume right now. We need some energy.
Thank you. That loud music helps. However, I still need a break soon. I'm starting to feel very hungry.
Me too. My stomach is making noise. Do you want to grab a bite at the next town?
That is a good plan. Also, I noticed the gas light is on. We need to fill up the tank immediately.
There's a large rest stop in 5 miles. We can get food and gas there.
Perfect. Can you check the GPS on your phone? I want to make sure we didn't veer off the main highway.
Let me look. No, we are on the right track. Just keep going straight for 10 minutes.
Great. I'll pull over at that exit.
I can't wait to stretch my legs. Being a passenger is exhausting too.
I believe you. Maybe you can drive after lunch.
Deal. Then you can take a nap. We make a great team.
Good evening. Welcome to the garden. Here is the menu. Can I get you a drink to start?
Hi, yes, please. I will just have a glass of cold water. To be honest, I am absolutely starving. I didn't eat lunch today, so I am very hungry.
I understand. I will bring the water immediately. Are you ready to order food, or do you need a few minutes?
I think I am ready. Everything looks delicious, but I have a question about the daily special.
The spicy chicken? It is very tasty.
It looks good, but I am allergic to peanuts. I have to be very careful. Does the sauce contain any nuts?
That is a very important question. Let me check the kitchen list. Yes, it uses peanut oil. You should definitely avoid that dish.
I'm glad I asked. In that case, I need to choose something else. It is a difficult decision. What about the beef burger?
It is a great choice. However, I have some bad news. We ran out of French fries 10 minutes ago. We are serving it with a green salad instead.
That is actually fine. I prefer salad anyway. I will go with the burger then.
Perfect. How would you like your burger cooked?
Medium, please.
Excellent. I will bring your order shortly. By the way, we offer a small chocolate cake with every meal today. It is on the house.
Really? That is a nice surprise. I have a sweet tooth, so I will definitely enjoy it.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Here are the running shoes you asked for. I brought 2 different colors for you to see.
Thank you so much. I really need a new pair today. My old shoes are completely worn out. The sole is broken and has a hole in it.
That sounds dangerous. These new ones are excellent. They are very durable because they are made of strong material.
That sounds good. However, I am worried about this white pair. It will get dirty very quickly outside.
That is a valid point. If you prefer darker colors, I have the same model in blue right here.
Oh, the blue color is much better for me. It looks very stylish. Can I try them on now?
Of course, here is a shoehorn to help you put them on easily.
Thanks, that helps. Let me tie the laces. To be honest, they feel a little tight around the toes.
That is quite normal for this brand. The fabric is stiff at first. You just need to walk in them for a few days to break them in.
Are you sure? I don't want my feet to hurt later.
I promise. Just wiggle your toes inside the shoe while you sit. Do they feel better now?
Let me try. Yes, actually. As my foot warms up, the shoe relaxes. Now they fit perfectly.
I told you. They become soft and take the shape of your foot.
Great. I will take this blue pair. I am ready to pay.
Hello? What seems to be the problem with your car today?
Hi, to be honest, I am very worried. My car is making a terrible noise. I'm afraid it will break down in the middle of the road.
I see. Can you describe the noise? When does it happen?
It happens when I start the engine. It sounds like a loud banging noise.
Okay, that usually happens with older cars. Some parts just get old and need replacement.
Is it serious? I use this car for work every day.
I am not sure yet. I need to look into it carefully. I must check the engine belt and the oil.
Okay, please tell me the truth. Will this repair cost an arm and a leg? I'm on a tight budget this month.
Don't worry, I will check everything and give you a price quote first. I am an honest mechanic. I never rip off my customers.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
It is good that you came here early. If you ignore the noise, the problem gets bigger. Fixing it now saves you money in the long run.
You are right. Please call me when you know the problem.
I will call you this afternoon. Leave your keys here.
Welcome back. Now it is time to practice.
In this section, repeat the sentences after us. We will say each sentence twice. Listen carefully and speak out loud.
Let's start. I am afraid I will mess up the grammar or use the wrong word. I am afraid I will mess up the grammar or use the wrong word.
We are all learners here. You need to build your confidence. We are all learners here. You need to build your confidence.
Rome wasn't built in a day. Learning a language takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Learning a language takes time.
If you stick with it, you will see great results soon. If you stick with it, you will see great results soon.
The subway station is just a stone's throw away. The subway station is just a stone's throw away.
You are responsible for all utilities. You are responsible for all utilities.
I need to see it before I make up my mind. I need to see it before I make up my mind.
We hit the road very early this morning. We hit the road very early this morning.
I feel like I'm dozing off. I feel like I'm dozing off.
Do you want to grab a bite in the next town? Do you want to grab a bite in the next town?
I'm allergic to peanuts. I have to be very careful. I'm allergic to peanuts. I have to be very careful.
In that case, I need to choose something else. In that case, I need to choose something else.
We ran out of French fries 10 minutes ago. We ran out of French fries 10 minutes ago.
They are very durable because they are made of strong material. They are very durable because they are made of strong material.
It looks very stylish. Can I try them on now? It looks very stylish. Can I try them on now?
I'm not sure yet. I need to look into it carefully. I'm not sure yet. I need to look into it carefully.
Fixing it now saves you money in the long run. Fixing it now saves you money in the long run.
Excellent work, everyone. You finished part 2.
We hope these new phrases help you in your daily life. Which words from today's lesson did you like the most?
Let us know in the comments below. We read all your feedback.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye for now.